Consolidated Financial Management Limited has been trading for 17 years. We're based in St Albans. We service the Hertfordshire and North West London areas. We specialise in dealing with mortgages, pension planning, life assurance and savings and investments. The benefit of coming to an independent financial advisor like ourselves is that we have access to every mortgage on the market, unlike the banks or building societies who can only sell their own products. A good example of this is a recent case of a lady who's going through a very acrimonious divorce at the moment. She'd already been turned down by a number of high street banks. The main reason being is that because she was going through the divorce, she was unable to work full-time. She'd had a history of part-time work behind her and no steady income. I was able to place the mortgage with a specialist local building society who could take a very commercial view of her application, and I'm pleased to say that that application is now going through. I'm able to access the best rates on the market. A client that I did a mortgage for a couple of years ago, and I advised him to take out a life assurance policy to cover the mortgage at the time. Unfortunately, 12 months later, he died very unexpectedly, but the good news was that the insurance company paid out the sum assured and his widow was then able to pay off the mortgage. A recent case for a long-standing client of mine. He unfortunately suffered a stroke and as a result of that is unable to work. What I advised him was that he may be suitable for what's called an enhanced annuity. So we completed a medical application form signed off by his doctor. I sent it to all 10 specialist annuity companies in the market, and I'm pleased to say that we were able to get him a much higher annuity income than he could have hoped to have got from the normal annuity companies. Apart from the advantages I've already mentioned of using consolidated financial management, perhaps one of the most important is that we have ample free parking.